Oh, it's not even summer yet and I'm already crazy hot. Today I'm going to be showing you the perfect meal for days like this that's both easy to prepare and satisfying so you're not left hungry in about an hour. Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto and I'm here to show you how to elevate your everyday meals, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Today I'm going to be making Hiyashi Chūka. It's a Chinese-style Japanese ramen salad, and it's the perfect summer alternative to a hot bowl of ramen. It also happens to be one of my favorite meals on a hot day like today. It's a flexible dish with lots of room to improvise, but let's start off by checking out the ingredients I'm going to use today. Our ingredients are some fresh Chinese-style noodles such as ramen or chow mein, tomatoes, cucumber, ham, and thin shredded egg. I'll link to the recipe for these in the description below. For the dressing, we're going to use water, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, tahini, sesame oil, grated ginger, salt, and white pepper. We're also going to use some sprouts and sesame seeds to garnish this. Let's start by making the dressing. I'm going to add all the dressing ingredients to a bowl and whisk this together until it's nice and emulsified. Now let's get the toppings ready. For the ham, I'm just going to chop it into thin strips. Then I'm going to cut some cucumber into matchsticks. You want to use a cucumber that has tender skin and small seeds, such as Japanese, Lebanese, or even English cucumbers. Just slice them at an angle, line up the slices, and then cut them into sticks. For the tomatoes, it kind of depends on the size of the tomatoes you're using, but I'm going to cut these ones into about 8 slices. Now we need to boil the noodles. I've got a pot of boiling water I'm going to go ahead and add the noodles to, and we're going to boil these according to the package directions. Mine says 3 minutes. When they're done, drain them and rinse them under plenty of cold water. You want to chill them and get rid of any excess starch that's on the surface of the noodles. Now we're going to dump the noodles into a bowl of ice water to really chill them. Once they're nice and cold, drain the noodles really well, shaking off as much water as you can. If you're not going to eat this right away, I recommend tossing the noodles in some oil to keep them from sticking together. To plate the Hiyashi Chūka, I'm going to make a stack of noodles and cover them with plenty of dressing. Then I'm going to arrange the cucumbers, ham, Kinshi Tamago, and tomatoes on top. I used to get yelled at a lot for playing with my food as a kid, but this is one dish I encourage you to play with the presentation to come up with a fun design. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle on some sesame seeds and garnish with some sprouts, and our Hiyashi Chūka is done. Piece of cake, right? And I didn't even break a sweat making this. The summers in Japan are oppressively hot and humid, and I usually don't feel like eating or cooking much. But the colors, textures, and tastes of this easy salad never fail to perk up my appetite. The sesame sauce tends to cover up the colors of the veggies, so I like to serve the extra dressing on the side. This ramen salad also makes for a colorful bento lunch, but just be sure to oil the noodles and pack the sauce on the side. If it's particularly hot out, be sure to pack this in a cooler with some ice packs so it doesn't spoil. The best part about this dish is that it's super flexible, so you can use almost any protein or vegetable that you have laying around in your fridge. If you enjoyed this video, please support this channel by giving this a thumbs up. And if you have friends that love ramen, send them a link to this video so they can try out this great summer alternative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. All right, I'm off to go have lunch, but I'll catch you in the next one. Check us out on Instagram at NoRecipes. Today we're going to be making Hiyashi Chūka. It's a Chinese-style Japanese ramen Ruh-roh. Ready? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and ring.